Miss Harley, you did it again. With a Kenmore 117580. Also doubles as a great weight. Beautiful. Needed one in the showroom. I had a couple of parts machine. Look at this one. It's complete. Has the bobbin case. Yes! Yes! Good job, Miss Harley. Come here, check it out. I'm gonna set that right there. We're gonna check out. Today was more quality than the quantity. So let's take out, reveal the first one. All three are for the showroom today that we found. And that Kenmore for starters. So Martha Washington. A little bit of issues. And these come in a couple different styles. I'm going to set this over here. This kind of opens up like this. And then they got the ones that do the same thing on this side. Or, some of you may know this. Alright? Open up like that. You got your drawer here. Wow, look at this. This one come with books. Oh boy. What is this? Oh, okay. Parts. Alright, I don't think that's probably not, does not go to what's in here. There's a lot of goodies in there. Couldn't get this one to come out. Alright. There we go. It was sticking a little bit. Oh. For those that do not know, this is an embossed white. This is only my third one I've found so far. One I sold, one I have in parts because the light is different than other whites. And this one, the one I parted out, I couldn't get a light for it. That's how we made it a parts machine. This one's all complete. Bobbin cases in there. Little issues with Martha, but oop, there she be. I'll close this. We're gonna just, for now, we'll display her right there. Lots of goodies everywhere. Now we're gonna, here's the front. Okay. Normally for transport I take the machines out of the cabinets and then shrink wrap them and flip the tables upside down. But I want to leave these exactly how I bought them. And I knew I wasn't getting a whole lot today and I had the room and not have to do that. So, plus I had help loading it. That really helps. Still have to unload by myself, but coming down is easier than going up in the truck. So here we go. Beautiful. White. I have one over here. I've been meaning to replace it because this part's kind of messed up. And this one's in better shape. Oh, look at that. I love little bonuses. Old needles and pins. Oh, wow. Got the originals. These are the wishbone bobbins. The originals, even aftermarkets for a little while. They made them with that little one hole. But I don't think they no longer make them with the one hole. You can only purchase them without the hole. And I tried to do that, buy some new ones, and nobody wanted them. So I I stopped doing that. But I have a lot of originals. Ooh, a little ice cream or something. What is this? If anybody knows what that might be. Another, I don't know what that is. A little knob to something. Little piece of brass. Okay, so cool. I don't think that piece, well, that came out of the other one. I'll stick it back in there. There's bobbins. Hey, there's money in here too. Oh, look at that. 10 cents. I wonder if it's gold. A marble. Any silver? It's always good to check the thimbles. Sometimes they're silver. On a marble, well, the name you want to look for is Christensen. Of course, it's not going to be labeled Christensen, but then does everybody know that some marbles are worth over $1,000? Just not that one. Okay, we'll put that back. Alright, real quick, because I know if I make this video too long, it's not going to go through. I got one of these. Got all the attachments. Got some kind of, maybe it's a vintage toy. I'll keep that out, it's not so unrelated. Alright, let's reveal what's in here. Oh, I love this type. It's always kind of nice to give it a little assist, even though it's supposed to come up on itself. It has wheels. They don't like going sideways, so. Okay, somebody has to do this. Running out of room. Okay. So, 3 finds today. I'm going to pick this up now. Let's see here. Let's switch this around. Oh, can I do it? Alright, I'll try to do it this way. We got this machine here. We got the Treadle White. And we got the embossed in the Martha Washington. And what I was thinking is taking this, and I had a machine set up. I left the table there where I bought this. It was just too messed up. It was old school plugs. And I got this table, and I'm hoping to get it in there. See, it's set up for that. It's a nice table. Okay, thanks for watching. Where's Harley? Harley. I unloaded them just in time before the rain. Good job, Harley. Good job.